Hi and welcome. I'm Enrique. I'm one of the co-founders here at VOYR. Thank you so much for believing in us. My goal today is to make sure that I walk you through, if you've never had experience with purchasing cryptocurrencies, on how to make it so extremely easy that you're able to feel confident in buying our VOYR cryptocurrency utility token for the VOYR.me platform. So let's get started. What you have on the screen here is very simple. It is my phone, and in my screen, I have this product or this icon called Trust installed. Trust is a crypto wallet. The crypto wallet lives in your phone. And I'll walk you through on how to download that crypto wallet very easy by simply, as I open my phone, I'm going to go to the App Store. In the App Store, I'm going to search for Trust Wallet. So I go into the search section and I'm going to type Trust Wallet, which it already shows up here. Now, there can be several products within the different application stores that might resemble the name Trust Wallet. The one that I want you to install, which is the official one that we're using for this enablement program, is the Trust Crypto Bitcoin Wallet, which is located here and is developed by 6 Days LLC. Once you have that, you simply download it. And after you have it download, you're going to have an icon that looks just like this. So on our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to create a crypto wallet and the importance of public keys and private keys for your crypto wallet. The next step in getting your Trust Wallet set up is to create a wallet itself within Trust Wallet. You already downloaded the product. So now that you download the product, you create a crypto wallet within Trust Wallet. And as you can see here, this is what you're going to be seeing on the screen as a net new user. Create the wallet, add secure, and share assets or be able to purchase assets anonymously. That's what Trust Wallet allows you to do. In this case, what I'm going to do, this is a test wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. When I click on create a new wallet, let's read exactly what's going on the screen. It's saying back up your wallet. In the next step, you will see 12 words that allow you to recover your wallet. And notice that there is a checkbox all the way at the bottom that says, I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. My recommendation to you is the next step after this, you want to make sure first that you're checking, that you understand the risk. And let's see, what does that mean to share a private key? Now, this is a test crypto wallet. This wallet will never be created, but what you're seeing on the screen is 12 phrases that you need to write down in a piece of paper. So don't take a screenshot, don't put them on your phone, put them in a piece of paper. Why? Because if I have access to these 12 phrases, I can take your assets. That's super important. This is what is called a private key. So do it the old way, get a notebook, write the phrases, and what's gonna do is after this is going to, when you click on continue, is going to ask you to validate that you understand what those phrases are. So make sure you write it down, validate the phrases, and we'll go to the next step. Once you've done the installation of Trust Wallet and your very first crypto wallet, it's now super easy to proceed to go and purchase our VOYR token. Prior to purchasing a VOYR token, we have to purchase a specific cryptocurrency and then we can purchase VOYR token. But as you can see, there's nothing on the screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the first token that we have to purchase first. That way, once you purchase that token, you can use the funds from that token to purchase VOYR token. So top right corner of the screen, you see 2 dots. You're gonna click there and you're going to search for Smart Chain BNB. It's the first one that you see on the screen. You wanna enable Smart Chain BNB. When you click on Done on the top right corner of your phone, now you are able to see that there is a token there. This is the first step on getting VOYR purchase using the Smart Chain BNB token, which you are about to purchase. When I click on Smart Chain BNB, as you can see on the top corner of the screen, it gives me an option to buy. When I click on buy, as you can see, it shows that I can buy 150. I can even buy, if I wanted to, I can buy $2,500 worth of that token, which is the Smart Chain BNB. And it tells me that $2,500 or $2,500 is equivalent at today's prices to 7.2381 BNBs using Simplex, which is a third-party supplier of Smart BNB. Once I do that, I click on next. When I click on next, it connects me to the Simplex website, where, as you can see, I've already pre-populated a credit card, or you can use Apple Pay to be able to purchase that transaction. Know that when you're going to do this for the first time, Simplex wants to validate who you are as an individual and wants to validate your credit card. Whether you use a debit card, whether you use a regular credit card, it wants to validate that you are the user for that. Once I put the transaction, once I put the security code of the credit card, and I put my contact information, it's just as simple as clicking Pay Now. The transaction will occur. Please be patient when it comes to this. When you click on purchase, it's going to start spinning and it's going to say, do not move away from this browser, or do not move away from this window. It's doing that because in the background is validating that you are who you say you are, that that credit card is truly valid. And once that transaction is completed, you will get a screenshot, or you will get a notification saying that you have purchased Smart BNB tokens. It's important to note that you have many choices when it comes to credit cards. You can use a debit card or a credit card, but please note that using a credit card might incur a cash advance, right? So do this wisely. Make sure that you're calculating those fees to make sure that you're able to tolerate those fees. Those fees can be different percentages based on a credit card. Now, once I put the amount that I want to purchase, once I put my security code and I build a different thing for the credit card, all I have to do is click on the Pay Now button, which I am going to do now. When I click on Pay Now, it's going to ask me to verify a code through email to ensure that I am the person that is about to purchase. So you can see it's extremely secure. It's revalidating who is who. So go to your email address, enter your 4-digit code that Simplex will send you to make sure that you can complete the transaction. As you can see, I just put in the code that I got from the email that I received from Simplex. I put the code in and I click on continue. When I click on continue, you wanna be patient. Don't get out of this screen. Let this screen process everything that needs to happen. If there is one thing that I've seen as issues, is I've seen issues with moving away from this screen. Let the process occur. And as you can see, I just got a confirmation that the payment was sent. You're gonna see $150, which is what I used and it's gonna show that it comes, or that charge came from Simplex Paybis. After that, what we wanna do is we wanna return to Trust Wallet, which I'm just going to click on Return to Trust Wallet. It takes you here. Basically what this page is, if you don't see the funds coming in, you're gonna get an email address with a payment ID, and that allows you to check the status of the transaction. But on the top left corner, you can click on Done. And when you click on Done and Done again, what we want to do is we want to wait. And as you can see, there you have it. I was able to transfer funds to Smart Chain. And in this case, those are the funds that landed based on the transaction, minus the fees that were charged for making that transaction occur. We're very close. After this step, we're about to buy VOYR and be able to hold it in your crypto wallet. Take a good look at this step right here, because it's probably one of the biggest issues that we've seen with users or new users trying to get into cryptocurrency, particularly utilizing Trust Wallet. Now, what you're gonna see is that you're gonna see a couple of things. You're gonna see that while I'm showing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, only Smart Chain, which is the black circle with the yellow diamond, has funds in it. In this case, I have $507.48 worth of Smart BNB chain token, which that allows me to do a purchase of VOYR at this point. But notice that at the bottom of the screen, there are 4 icons. There is wallet, browser, DEX, and settings. A lot of you are not going to have the browser button that is on the Trust Wallet. And that is extremely important because that's what's needed into going into what we call VOYR safe sale pre-launch of our product or of our token. So to enable that, it's very easy to do. What you want to do is I brought in, the community of Trust Wallet, and it shows you that what you have to do, as you can see on this screen, it shows that there is no button there. But once you type the following, once you type this into a Safari browser or a browser of your choice within your phone, which is trust://browser_enable, that will activate that button within Trust Wallet. So I can click on that to kind of save me time, or I can just type it here, trust. So it's gonna be TRUST, and we do browser_enable. Once I click on that, notice how it's going to tell me open Trust, which is the name for Trust Wallet. I click on open, and that will show you the browser button that is located at the bottom of your screen. So let's recap what we've done, because we're about to purchase VOYR tokens and to land them into your Trust Wallet. So we have funded a wallet, we created a wallet, you protected the private key, you wrote it down, you put it in a safe place, you then went in, you purchased Smart BNB, you went through the simplex process, verification of your credit card, verification of who's who, it went and processed that. You saw how the funds automatically got into my wallet, my crypto wallet. And now the last step that we did was enabling the Trust Wallet browser, the browser within the Trust Wallet application that lets you go to our Safe Sale DApp, which is the website that allows you to connect this wallet to purchase VOYR token. We're about to do that right now. So we go into browser, and when we go to browser, you're gonna see different applications that you can use within the browser. But what I care about is purchasing VOYR token. So I'm just going to go to safesale.finance. That is the name. You're doing it through a browser, just like Safari will be on your iPhone, or like Chrome will be on your Android phone. You're typing safesale.finance within the browser of Trust Wallet, not outside Trust Wallet. When I click on search, the Safe Sale product presented by VOYR comes in. And this is what it shows you, everything that we've done within our project. And this, by the recording of this video, we have 9 days left for the pre-sale to be over, and then it will be available to the general public. And as well, we show all the telemetry of how many tokens we've sold, the liquidity and whatnot. But let's go ahead and purchase our product. We connect wallet. Now, when we connect wallet, it's gonna give you options on different wallets that you can connect to our Safe Sale application. We wanna connect Trust Wallet. So you see the icon here at the bottom. You click on that icon, and it's going to tell you something interesting. And this is the second mistake, or the second issue that we see with a lot of our users. It's saying wrong network. Notice at the top left corner of the smartphone screen, there is a black diamond. That does not represent at all what we've been talking about, which is Smart Chain BNB, which is a black circle with a orange or a yellow, let's just call it a yellow diamond. You want to click on the top left corner of your screen, change that diamond to Smart Chain. When you change it to Smart Chain, guess what? The website loads up, you click on connect a wallet, you select Trust Wallet at the bottom, and now it connected. Now, the first step into purchasing VOYR tokens for these pre-sale times, or the pre-sale schedule that we have right now, which is within 9 days, is to unlock the pre-sale process by sending to our smart contract 0.05 BNB. So I'm going to do that. Is going to confirm the transaction, is going to ask you, hey, make sure that you trust this. You can trust us because there are certificates, we're a known team, and we have a product that we're going to deliver to the market. So you click on send. Once I click on send, it's saying the transaction is in process. It will take a couple of seconds to actually send 0.05 BNB from my wallet into Safe Sales wallet. Now that that's done, it's telling me what's the balance that I have, and from that balance, how much can I use? And from there, I just type a specific figure of what I can use, which in this case, I'm going to use the 1.62. I'm going to buy that much of VOYR, leaving a little bit of the decimals into the BNB. And I click on purchase. When I click on purchase, it's going to ask me again, hey, do you want to confirm this transaction? I'm going to say yes. And when I confirm the transaction, it says yes. My wallet will have VOYR tokens that are purchased as part of this sale. As you can see, now that the transaction is complete, at the bottom, there is a VOYR token, which is in the BEP20 network, that shows that I own 145,800 VOYR tokens. But wait a minute. I thought that the number within Safe Sale is much bigger than that. So you're probably wondering what's going on. Fantastic question. You actually are seeing something that is unique to this industry, which we created in Safe Sale. What we believe, the founders believe, is that we needed to create a initial public offering, no different, or initial coin offering, no different than what companies in Silicon Valley do to get angel investors to invest on their product. But those coins are going to vest within 180 days from the day that they were purchased. So while you may see a balance that is much, much smaller here, it is thus a linear vesting every second for 180 days. To see exactly the value that you purchased, we had to go back into the Safe Sale website to see exactly how much you purchased. How do we do it? Very easily. We go back into our Trust Wallet application. At the bottom, the second icon, which says browser, you go there. You type again safesale.finance, which I'm doing right now. I hit on search, and I want to connect my wallet again to the application. So when I click on Connect Wallet, I select Trust Wallet, and at the bottom, you're going to see that I truly purchased 14,434,200 VOYR tokens. Vested, as you can see, it shows the balance of the tokens that are vested. So rest assured that as each day progresses, the number in your wallet is going to go up because those are tokens that have vested. A token that has vested means it's a token that you can sell, that you can do things with that token. And throughout the time, you will have the full amount. Thank you so much for the time. Hope this was educational. My email is super simple. If you have any question, it's enrique@voyr.me. Have a great day.